Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is variable. Variable is a named storage location that holds a value that can be changed during the execution of a program. In Salesforce within the Apex programming language, variables are used to store data that can be used and manipulated by the program. Declaring variables in Apex. To declare a variable in Apex, we need to specify the data type followed by the variable name. Optionally, we can initialize the variable with a value at the time of declaration. Syntax: data type, variable name, initialize value. At the end, we are using semicolon. Static variable. A static variable processes the property of preserving its actual value even after it is out of its scope. Thus, the static variables are able to preserve their previous value according to their previous scope, and one doesn't need to initialize them again in the case of a new scope. Examples of variable declaration: primitive data types, integer, count variable holding 10 value, double, price is holding 19.99 value, boolean is active holding true value, string name is holding John Doe, date today holding date dot today value, date time now equals to date time dot now holding today's date and time, id, record id is holding the id value. Complex data types variable declaration. List string, we are taking the name of variable names equals to new list string, and Elias, Bob, Charlie is the values. Set integer number, new set integer 1 2 3, we are setting the variables. Map string integer scores, new map string integer. So key value pair it's holding, math is holding 90 value, science is 85. So like this we are declaring the variable. Yes, object type and Apex class type. As object types, account ACC equals to new account. So name we are providing Acme Corporation. Account variable, contact con equals to new contact. So first name I am providing John, last name Doe is a contact variable. Apex class types, my class, my object equals to new my class, hello, instance of a custom class. Best practices for using variables in Apex. Meaningful names. Use descriptive and meaningful names for variables to make the code more readable and maintainable. So integer, we are creating the variable total count. It's like a good practice. Integer x, no one knows why x is using. So this is declaration bad. Initialization, always initialize variables when possible to avoid unexpected behavior or error. Integer count equals to 0. Scope, declare variables in the smallest possible scope to limit their visibility and reduce the risk of unintended side effects. Public void my method. String local variable, I am local to this method. System.debug, local variable it's displaying. Constants, use final keyword for variables that should not change any initialization. Final integer, max retries equals to 3. Thank you.